Good morning, students. Today I explain up to 40 questions. Come on. Remaining questions I will explain now. 41. The image that can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. 41. Answer is real image. 42. Reflection from a rough surface is called irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. The light ray returns from the mirror is called a reflected ray. Reflected ray. Listen again. It is the mirror or reflecting surface or smooth surface. A ray of light incident on a mirror. It is called incident ray. Incident ray. Okay. Next one. After reflection, it is called a reflected ray. It is bounced back from the mirror. It is called a reflected ray. Reflected ray. It is called a point of incidence. Point of incident. Okay. Next one. In which mirror we get a diminished image of the object, that is convex mirror. 44. Convex mirror. Convex mirror. Here diagram is given. In the diagram, what is the angle between the two plane mirrors? That equal to 0 degrees. That equal to 0 degrees. Here two statement is given. In an image formed by a mirror, the left side of the object is seen as the right side in the image. Statement 1. Statement 1, that is, in a plane mirror, in an image formed by a mirror, means plane mirror. Plane mirror, the left side of the object is seen as the right side in the image. That is called a lateral inversion. Formed by a plane mirror. The left side of the object is seen as the right side in the image. It is the first statement. Statement 1, that is. Next statement 2 is given. The capital letter A does not show the lateral inversion. Yes. Statement 2. Statement 2. What is the statement 1? The capital letter A. The capital letter lateral inversion. Yes. Next one, side view mirror of a car is convex mirror. Statement 3. Statement 3. Side view mirror of a car are convex mirror. Convex mirror. Yes, that could. So which of the statements are correct? So statement 1, what is the statement 1? In an image formed by a plane mirror, it shows the lateral inversion. It shows the lateral inversion. Okay, next statement 2. Statement 2, the capital letter A does not show a lateral inversion. Next statement 3, the side view mirror of a car are convex mirror. Yes, statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3 also correct. Statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3 also correct. Okay, ma. Next one, 47th one. Yeah, diagram is given. From the diagram, the angle is given. The angle between incident ray and reflected ray is given. It is the incident ray. It is the reflected ray. So, angle between incident ray and reflected ray is given. That is 80 degrees. 80 degrees. From this diagram we can write here I plus R equal to 80 degrees. I plus R equal to 80 degrees. From laws of reflection, angle of incidence I equal to R. From the equation number 1. From equation number 1, we can write here the place of R, we can write I. So I need to find the angle of incidence. So that's why I am writing here I plus I equal to 80. I plus I equal to 80. So here 2I equal to 80 degrees. Therefore I equal to 80 by 2, that is 40 degrees. So angle of incidence equal to 40 degrees. Therefore, angle of reflection are also 40 degrees. So here what is the angle of incidence? 40 degrees. At the same time, angle of reflection also 40 degrees. Okay. Next, question number 48. Here two statements are given. Statement 1, a ray of light incident normally, then angle of reflection recurrence pass. Okay, in reflection, angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Both the statements are correct. Both the statements are correct. So 48, both these statements are correct. Okay, it is the first statement 1. A ray of light incident normally, it is the incident ray. Refracted means angle of reflection also same on the way. Red traces. Okay, next angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. So second statement, second one, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. We can say that from laws of reflection. Therefore, statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. Next one, find the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray. Here diagram is given, angle of incident is given. Then find the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. What is the ninth one? The diagram is given. It is the incident ray. It is the reflected ray. And the normal line. The angle between incident ray and normal line is given, that is 60 degrees. Here I is given, that is equal to 60 degrees. Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence I equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, angle of reflection, angle of reflection are also 60 degrees. Here both 50 concave and convex mirror is given. These two are called spherical mirrors. These two are called spherical mirrors. It is a concave mirror. Concave. It is a convex mirror. Inner side is the coating surface. The outer side is the coating surface. Here reflection takes place at the inner surface. The reflection takes place at the outer surface. So these two are called spherical mirrors. These two are called spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors. Spherical mirror. So 50 first one we can do with mirror. By using of mirror we can get answer. Option number C is the answer. Next 52. 52. How is the arrange the mirror? 60 degrees. So it will get 55 images. Next, Bhavana adjusts the mirror and she get 11 images. Then what is the angle between two plane mirrors? Here number of images n is given, that is equal to 11 images. Then our aim is to find the angle between the two plane mirrors. So here n is equal to 11 images. 11 images. Then find the theta equal to how much? So we know that n equal to 360 by theta minus 1. It is the formula to find the number of images. Here n equal to how much? 11 is given. So 11 equal to 360 by theta minus 1. Minus coming to this side, plus, that is equal to 11 plus 1, that is equal to 360 by theta. So 12 equal to 360 by theta. Therefore, theta equal to 360 by 12. Okay, 12 once here, 12, 30. Therefore, theta equal to 30 degrees. Theta equal to 30 degrees, we will get 11 images. 11 images. Next one, 53. 53. Rajesh arranged a rear mirror to his motorcycle. The type of the mirror is, which type of mirror used to rear mirror? You know already, that is convex mirror. So convex mirror acts as a rear mirror. So 53rd one, that is convex mirror. 53. Convex mirror. Convex mirror. Okay. So next one. Question answer. First one. First one. Okay. Improve your learning. In the first one, Vidya made a periscope making slides like this as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. It is the air diagram. Here two slides are given, pins are given. So from this, it will work or not. Explain your answer. Try to make a periscope like this and see where it is working or not. So it is not work. No is the answer. First one, no. It will not work. It will not work. This periscope is not perfect. It is not work because this periscope means this type of periscope is not perfect. Is not perfect because in this case mirror slips did not lie parallel in each other. So the window should open directly there were no reflection, means reflecting surfaces of the mirror strip. The mirror strips. If they are not parallel, we should not be able to see that from the window. Two lying in a room window. Okay, that is the reason. Next one. Second one, diagram is given. Draw a rectangle in the figure given. Here, what is the given diagram? A angle incident with 45 degrees. The angle is incident with 45 degrees. Question number 2. What is the given diagram? In the mirror, a ray of light incident on the mirror with 45 degrees. This is the given diagram. Then draw a reflected ray in the diagram. This is the given diagram. If a ray of light incident with 45 degrees, then the reflected ray also reflect with 45 degrees. This is the diagram. Reflected ray diagram. So angle of incident equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, angle of reflection also 45 degrees. So it is a reflection. It is a reflection. Next one. Make the position of the image in the figure. So here, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 2 in second one. Diagram is given. do you relate the angle of incident, angle of reflection, and angle of reflection? Angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. So question number 3. How do you relate angle of reflection and angle of incidence? So we know that from laws of reflection. Question number 3. From the laws of reflection, angle of incidence, is equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, so angle of incidence is denoted by I, and the angle of reflection, is denoted by R. Therefore, I equal to R. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So I equal to R. Next question number 4. What will the angle of reflection when angle of incident is given? That is 60 degrees and 0 degrees. Question number 4 is here angle of incidence or angle of incidence. Here angle of reflection R is given. Question number 4. Angle of reflection, first one, R equal to 60 degrees, and the second one is also R equal to 0 degrees. Then find the I equal to how much here? Here also I equal to how much? We know that from the laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Therefore, from the laws of reflection, I equal to R. Therefore, R equal to 60. Then I equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, I also 60 degrees. Here also I equal to R. But here R equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, 0 degrees. Therefore, I also 0 degrees. Okay. Next question number 5. Imagine that your sister is viewing a cricket match on the TV, and you are viewing the same cricket match in the mirror, which is opposite to the TV. What difference will you notice in the match? What do you notice in the match? So, if I am seeing the match in a mirror, my sister is watching TV. Okay, a mirror is quite opposite to the TV. Now I am watching the match in mirror. So here, mirror gives the lateral inversion. So that is the I observed in the mirror. Answer is, when you notice the match in the mirror, there is a lateral inversion occurs. Once observe TV. Not only match, once observe the lateral inversion by using of mirror, means nothing but plain mirror. So question number 5. When you notice the match in mirror is lateral inversion occurs. for this mirror, right of an object, right, an object appears left, the left object, left of the object appears right, right. This is called a lateral inversion. Suppose the batsman is right hand batsman. When you watch the same batsman in the mirror, he will appear left hand. Okay. If the ball is bowling from the right side of the stump, in the mirror, he could appear to be bowling from the left side of the stump because of lateral inversion. Because of lateral inversion. Next question number 6 and 7. By using of mirror, we can write the answers. I will write the mirror images. On subject with mirror. Same way. Question number 6. Deepa is given. It is the given name. In mirror, they appears like this. Here, letter A, capital letter A does not show the lateral inversion. Don't forget, Anna. A does not show the lateral inversion here. I also. Next one, 7th one. You are the given mirror image of name is. What is the given name, Amma? Question number 7. A, Y. It is R, U. It is the given name. This name is Surya. His name is Surya. It is answer. Surya is the answer. Surya is the answer. Okay. Remaining questions tomorrow I will explain. Thank you.